Guilty, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And because you did what they charged you with? I need you to answer out loud.
Yes, ma'am.
And are those prior two convictions true?
Yes, ma'am.
In cause number 26 DCCR 0313, which counts are we going on that case?
See.
I'm going to go back to the cause number ending in 0312. It's the one you just pled guilty to. It had those two prior state jail felony offenses listed in the indictment. The state has also filed a notice of intent to use prior convictions to enhance. And in that, they allege that you were also previously convicted of the second-degree felony offense of possession of a controlled substance. That conviction, again, from of possession of a controlled substance from July 30th of 2003, which was a first-degree felony. Is that true or not true?
Yes, ma'am.
And then there's also an allegation of a conviction from March 11th of 2008 that you were convicted in the United States District Court for the Eastern District of Texas of the offense of felon in possession of a firearm. And is that also
Yes,
true?
ma'am.
And so what that means is that for punishment purposes, in this case, the punishment range would be that of a second-degree felony, which is between 2 years and 20 years. Is that your understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And again, did you enter your plea of guilty and true to those prior convictions freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
All right. In cause number 26 DCCR 0313, you're charged with unlawful possession of a firearm by felon, third-degree felony from December 2nd of 2025. The indictment alleges you were previously convicted of possession of a controlled substance, a first-degree felony, July 28th of 2003. And then the notice of intent to enhance alleges that same prior that we already talked about, which is the felon in possession of a firearm case, which was the federal case from March 11th of 2008. How do you plead to this charge?
Guilty, ma'am.
And again, are those prior convictions true?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you plead guilty and true freely and voluntarily?
Mm-hmm.
And in this case, that makes the punishment range that of a habitual offender. Is that everyone's understanding?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Then, in cause number 26 DCCR 0314, you're charged with the second-degree felony offense of abandoning or endangering a child within placing them in risk of imminent bodily danger. And that's a second-degree felony from December 2nd.